So first, let's go to our example directory, and we'll rename our index.php file hello.php, and we'll open it in our editor. And let's go to our resource pack directory in order to get the new code for this file. So this is going to be step 12, hello.php, converting index to use front controller. Go ahead and copy the code and paste it over the code in your hello.php file and save it. So now if we were to compare this file with our previous index.php file, let's do that by going to our resource pack directory and selecting our last step where we adjusted the index.php file, step 8, and we'll compare these two in our file comparison tool. We'll make sure that the older one is on the left. You see that we're removing the require once with our init.php, and we're also removing the response send. The red here indicates that there have been lines that have been completely removed. So this response send now is happening inside of our front controller. So we're going to do the same thing to adjust our by.php file. So let's go to our resource pack directory and open up the 13th step, by.php, converting to use front controller. Go ahead and copy the code and jump over to your by.php file and paste it over and save it. So this file gets simplified quite a bit. We're just setting the content of our response object. All right, at this point, we should be set to test this out. Let's go back to the browser and refresh our by.php file. So you see these errors. That's because we should no longer be accessing this by.php file directly. We're instead going to use the URL by. So let's submit that. It says goodbye. All right, let's try our other URL, which is hello. So it says hello world. So it looks like our restructuring to use our front controller has been successful. Now, when we add new pages, the process would be to go to our front controller. I'm going to go back to the editor and go to our front.php file and add a new item in our map for the URL we want to add. We'll direct it to the particular file we want to use, and then we'll create that file, and the only thing that that file needs to do is to set the content of the response object. Easy enough, right?